Hello and welcome to this another episode of CAD tutorial by DCTU Local. We are going to create a circle using a shortcut key C. So let us begin. In a command line here, at the bottom of your workspace or the viewport, you have there a command line. Just input letter C for the circle and then hit or click the space bar button space. So you have there the second thing to do is specify center point for circle. So just left click using the mouse or the left click button of the mouse, and then the third thing to do is specify radius of a circle. So just left click again using your left click button of your mouse. Okay, so there you go. You have there the circle. Let us repeat the drawing. Just space. Hit the space bar button. Here. Okay, so that's all.